Hey guys, welcome to another ServerMiner plugin tutorial. I'm your host LGJim007 and today we're looking at the TNT Tag minigame. So this is a really fantastic plugin that's very easy to set up and is a lot of fun to play. So it's effectively tag but in Minecraft. So you have a chaser and everyone else has to run away, and then if they survive the amount of time the arena goes on for, they can get a reward which you can configure. So first of all, let's have a look at the commands by doing /TT and then help. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your lobby and set a global lobby for all arenas by doing TT set lobby. Once you've done that, then you can create a specific arena. So I've created 3 beforehand as I recorded this video, but I didn't have my mic recording. So what we need to do is /TT create, and then it's going to give us the option to name it. So I'm going to call this 2. And then what we need to do is choose the minimum amount of players for it to start. So I'm going to select 2 in chat, and then the maximum amount of players. So I'm going to select 6 for this one. And then we want to set the specific lobby for this arena, which is going to be right here. So just type set lobby with no / or anything in chat, hit enter. And then you want to go somewhere in the middle of your arena and then just type set start. This is where players are going to be teleported to when a arena begins. And that is how easy it is to create a brand new arena. Now we can edit those things and a couple of other things by doing TT editor and then the arena 2. This brings up a GUI, and as you can see we've got the min-max players that we set in chat, but by clicking the grey and the green buttons you can actually change these numbers if you are not happy with them. And then we have the lobby location and start location, which are buttons you can press to change them if you want to move them for some reason. And then the last 2 items are both timers. So we have the countdown timer when all the players join. That's a little long, so we can actually click this to bring it down, make it a lot shorter, and then each round is a minute long, but obviously you could change that as well. Once you're happy with the changes there, you hit apply the button at the end, and then you'll be good to go. Finally, we can create an arena sign by doing square brackets TT on the top line, and then the second line is going to be the arena name, so that's going to be 2. It's going to say hold on, waiting for update, and there it is. Here is our arena. So right click and a GUI will pop up and confirm that it is arena 2 that we want to join, and we've been teleported to the middle of the arena. I would suggest making something far bigger with walls and buildings and other stuff like that. This is a very boring and small arena, but you get the gist. And then we have a leave button, and if we click the join button we can see the other arenas as well. So here we are in the SMPitnik control panel, and you can see there's 5 YML files. Most of them just say various data about players, the arenas and signs. So the only one you really want to edit is the config.yml. If we jump in here, up at the top we can see some rewards we can give players. Now for this to work you need to get rid of the hashtags or the pound signs. So what we're going to do is delete those. Make sure you delete the null value as well, and we're just going to bring these to the end so they work. Get rid of null here and null here as well, and this will mean that taggers and survivors get 10 and 20 bucks each for finishing the round, and then if you finish an arena you get $1,000 for the winner. Then we have all of the broadcast times, so you can change these or add more if you really want to, and then we have the start message, and you can see it gives information here. You could change this, and then here is the global lobby we set. So hit save. So here we are on the Spigot page. You can see it's updated from 1.13 to 1.19. There's some cool information and screenshots here. So if we scroll all the way down to the bottom we have a wiki. So on here you can see the commands, you can see permissions for people to do various things, the arena setup if you want some more information, and then placeholder API if you want to hook into another plugin, and then finally the config file tells you all about adding rewards and stuff like that. So that is the plugin. If you want a server to host it on, check out serverminer.com for the best and cheapest hosting around. But that's it for me. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.